Hello everybody, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video walk around of our lovely Vauxhall Astra SRi Nav, finished in this beautiful metallic grey. As I walk around your car, you'll notice that it is in excellent condition both inside and out, and I've had a good look myself at all the bodywork, paintwork and alloy wheels. They're all in superb condition. This particular car has a 1 litre turbo engine, which is absolutely superb, delivers great performance and fantastic fuel economy. Now, as this car is a 19 plate, you'll get 13 months warranty remaining on this car, and it's only had one owner from new. So as I come around the front, I'm just going to show you inside. As you can see, the inside is in good condition as well. The benefits of the Astra since they redesigned it is the leg room in the back. It's a really good leg room and ISOFIX down there as well. So some of the technology in the car. Because this is a nav, you get the bigger touchscreen which houses the sat nav and mobile phone connection. Also with a 1 litre turbo you get the sport button down there as well. As you can see, this car is in excellent condition. I fully recommend watching the video just next to this one, the technician's appraisal, as that will give you a really good insight into the condition underneath the car, the bits that you don't normally see. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a test drive, please give one of us a call on 0113 271 2288. We look forward to hearing from you soon.